So the Windows has announced the next generation of Windows, which is Windows 11. Now you might be thinking that does your PC meets the requirements to install Windows 11 or not? So hey guys, in this video I will show you the way to check if your PC meets the requirements to run Windows 11. So for that, check the description box down below to download this software. And after downloading this software, open and accept the agreement and hit install. After installing, open the software and click on check now to see if the PC meets the system requirements, and the answer will be displayed right on your screen. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.